Hey, Tim Alden with Alden School of Leather Trades here. I want to talk to you about my floral carving set that I use in my class and also sell on my website. They're all Berry King tools. I got a couple of samples here that I did up just to show you kind of what you can get. You're only limited by your imagination, but this is a great starter set. So I'm going to go through these real quick. Got my swivel knife here that I've used to cut out all of my outlines and done all my decoration cuts with. It's pretty much the only swivel knife you're going to need. I have a description below that has all the different sizes of the tools here. I try to keep them in the order that I'm going to use them in. So we're going to start out with our bevelers. That I've used the larger beveler. It's a check beveler for the long straight stretches and a small one for the tiny radiuses. I have three different styles of thumbprints. I've used the smooth thumbprint that I've roughed up with 85 grit sandpaper just to get a little more burnish color out of your shading. I've used it for all my little stems. I've used it for my seed bud, and that's pretty much it. I used my vertical line thumbprint to shade around my flower center. I used my lifter to open up my seed bud there. Used my line veiner for my acanthus leaf around the corners of my flower petals and around that stem there. I used my Mules Foot for converging lines, cupping around my acanthus leaf where I've used my veiner, and also my seed bud down through here I've used it. My bar grounder I've used for my backgrounding in here. I have a cedar. It's good for cross hatching. I didn't use it in this pattern, but it's great to have for various things. My oval flower center here. And now to my stamping set. I just have a box stamp and a basket stamp. The Starburst Box Stamp that I've used here. I came back with my Petal border stamp along the edge, and then my rope basket stamp that I've used along here also with the border stamp right along here. So anyway, I have a 20 ounce Maul. I use the 20 ounce. It's good for stamping and carving. Sometimes you might want a little heavier one for stamping or a little lighter one for your floral carving, but if you're going to get an average one, I like the 20 ounce round Maul. So that's my basic floral and stamping set. You may need more specific tools for various styles of carving, but this is going to get you started. It's a great foundation. I hope you like these videos, and we'll see you next week.
Nailed it.
Okay.